Wood opal is a form of petrified wood which has developed an opalescent sheen, or more rarely where the wood has been completely replaced by opal. Opalized wood, also called opal wood or simply silicified wood, is formed when the broken pieces of wood from the trees were covered with layers of sediment and the wood material was replaced by silica. The opalized wood has a hardness between 5 and 6 the color brown, glassy or resinous, luminescence, yellow or green. Unfortunately, I can't clean it anymore, so we can't really enjoy its beauty because we don't have enough water. We have water in our own body, we have water humidity in the air, water moisture in the soil, but here in the stream of this river we have only sand, fallen leaf, stones, broken branch from trees, and broken illusions from the great illusion of life.